What's up, guys? It's Burn the Breeze. I'm Vic. This is Justin. We are a rock band based out of Raleigh, North Carolina, on a mission to keep rock alive and bring back rock music. One way we do that is by taking great recommendations from you guys to help inspire us. We're learning from the greats and putting out our new music, which we're pretty much doing every month this year. But
and it sounds like this.
So, go check it out, man. Today, Alex sent us buy me a coffee for
Tedeschi Trucks Band, Keep On Growing, live from Fox, Oakland. I haven't heard the song. You said it was a cover?
It is a cover, a Derek and the Dominoes cover.
Oh, Derek and the Dominoes. That was a Clapton band. So, I don't know. I may have heard this. I'm not sure. But this is going to be sick, though.
Yeah, Alex said Derek would first play with the Allman Brothers at 13.
Yeah.
And would be one of their guitar players with Warren Haynes for 15 years. Susan is 2 times Blues Singer of the Year with multiple Grammy nominations and awards. She went to Berkeley. And has had a ton of albums and joined forces with her hubby like us.
Hey. That's pretty cool.
Love it.
Move over just a little bit. Get that forehead out the way.
You just wouldn't expect her to be able to play like that.
Why?
I don't know. She looks like
Because the way she looks.
she looks like a mom.
Hey, you're a mom.
I know.
I'm going to turn this up a little bit.
A soulful voice.
Yeah. Love the tight harmony.
I'm gonna get you that shirt.
Which one? Which one? He's so fucking good. Excuse me?
Not sure.
Okay. Never knows how he doesn't use a pick, and he kind of has an interesting
I noticed
interesting way of playing with his right hand.
Dire Straits, that guy did the same thing.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Similar. Dynamics.
Yeah. Let's go. Bring it down to a whisper.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, there's a slide. So you definitely know it's Tedeschi Trucks playing. He's got his own thing going.
Didn't even see him get that thing out.
articulation is insane.
Wow. They are really good.
Yeah. I enjoy how natural his performance is.
Yeah. His like
Tempo
her
changes.
smooth voice and his guitar
Yes.
playing is so good.
No click tracks or
It'd be fun to see
it's
live.
just like rootsy almost, you know,
Yeah.
like it's
I wonder if they ever
extremely
play
like,
around here.
natural. They're not even wearing in-ears,
Whoa.
so they're using all monitor sounds.
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting. And they're right in front of the drums. Ooh, anything on with the horns. Wow.
That was
Wow,
great,
that was really, really great.
man. So now you know what all 10 of those people were doing. Because we watched, we saw their Spotify and we were like, there's like 10, 12 people in this band.
And I had never heard them
Victoria's like, what are
before.
you all doing?
What are people doing?
So we had like
2 drummers, 3,
two
4
drummers.
horns.
There was an organist,
Awesome
bass
backup
player,
vocals.
backup vocals, horns.
Wow. Super talented. And it makes sense. He said that she went to Berkeley and
Yeah. And
he
he
was
was
playing with
just
the Allman Brothers. What?
in the School of Hard Knocks
That's
on
crazy.
the road.
Wow.
So,
Yeah. They'd be great. I would love to see them live.
yeah. Imagine being like around the damn Allman Brothers at 13.
I know. It feels like a
I
whole
think he's a
nother,
nephew
like-
of one of them. I think that's what someone was saying.
But yeah, Alex, thank you for the Buy Me
Yeah.
Coffee. That was great.
Yeah, it was awesome. Great song. What a vibe,
Yeah.
you know. Guitar playing is just unbelievable.
Sick. Rock Moms Unite.
Rock Mom. Yes. Start the Rock Mom playlist.
Okay.
All right.
Rock
See you
Mom.
guys on the next one.